I think that teachers who are generalists, who want to work with the arts, the ones who are drawn to that are very brave. They're very brave because they take on sometimes sometimes something that is messy and that doesn't have a lot of clear outcomes. But it's in the messiness and the lack of clear outcomes that richness happens. It's a very fertile soil. That lâcher prise, that letting go of expectations and of needing to control stuff, is where beautiful things happen. The two examples that I gave, the teacher did not micromanage or control that process at all. She provided the time, she provided guidance in the form of consultants. So like in this case, I was a consultant. So she provided consultants that were able to work with students to elicit, to move away from stereotypes. That's something we talk about a lot in the arts, to move away from stereotypes, to go beyond the obvious, to make links, and to find ways of moving people, which is the point, right? We exist to feel things. We exist to feel things. And the teachers that become the most successful are the ones that can set up conditions for success, which don't involve them having to do everything. They can get people in for that. They can get artists in for that. They can get parent volunteers in for that, and they can trust their students. All they need to do is provide the structure and the time.